How to make your time count life is short, just about 30,000 days. If you're 30 years old, you've already used up 11,000 of them, gone forever. Someday I'll do it is a dangerous trap. It tricks you into thinking you have infinite time. In this video, you'll learn powerful strategies to make your time count, not just manage it, but truly live it. Time perception and psychology. Time plays tricks on your mind. As a kid, summers felt endless. Now, years fly by like months. This is the time unit paradox, and it's not just in your head. It's how your brain works. When you're young, everything is new, so your brain records every moment, making time feel slower. As an adult, routines make days blur together. Same breakfast, same commute, same Netflix shows. Your brain skips recording these moments. To hack this, break your routine. Take a new route to work. Learn a skill every month, talk to strangers. New experiences force your brain to pay attention, making time feel longer. And here is a big mistake. We overestimate what we can do in a day, but massively underestimate what we can achieve in a year. Don't quit your goals too soon. Priority management. Being busy isn't being productive. Many tasks feel important but don't matter. Try the deathbed test. At 90 years old, will you care about that extra hour at the office or the time spent with family? Priorities become crystal clear. Use the two-list strategy. Write down everything you want to achieve, then circle your top 3. Everything else is your avoid list. Ruthlessly eliminate non-essentials like social media or busy work. Your time is too precious. Small daily investments in the right priorities compound over time like interest in a bank. Emotional intelligence. Your emotions have a secret timer. Anger, fear, or frustration last just 90 seconds in your body. After that, you're choosing to stay in that emotion. You can't control the first wave, but you control the second. Emotional regulation is a superpower. Raw intelligence gets you the job, but staying calm in chaos gets you the promotion. Show the right amount of vulnerability at the right time to build trust. Avoid dodging tough conversations. They create emotional debt that grows bigger every day. And gratitude? It's like money in a bank you can't withdraw unless you express it. Tell people they matter. Personal energy time management is useless without energy management. Would you rather have 8 energized hours or 12 draining ones? Audit your energy. A morning walk boosts you. A toxic friendship drains you. Willpower is like a muscle. It tires out. Design your environment to make good choices automatic. Wear the same clothes or eat the same breakfast to save energy for big decisions. Practice strategic incompetence. Be deliberately bad at non-essential tasks so others stop asking you to do them, protecting your energy for what matters. Mental models. Mental models are shortcuts to understanding reality, but they're simpler than the truth. Think beyond the obvious with second-order thinking. Don't just ask, what happens next, but what happens after that? Multiple perspectives are essential because your mental map might miss key details. Instead of asking how to solve a problem, ask how you're creating it. Sometimes the solution is to stop what's causing the issue. Making your time count isn't about finding extra hours, it's about using them wisely. Pick one idea, like breaking your routine or focusing on your top priorities, and test it today. Your time starts now.